Teacher,
Yes. Yes. Why? Why? Okay. Now,
actually, I'm two teacher.
what?
I
There
have
is?
these two two teacher.
You have two
Two teacher.
teacher? Wow.
Yes.
It's very good. Where is your another teacher? Where is your other teacher, Jang?
Teacher, please. I don't see it.
Oh, I can see Nam now. Wow. Hello, Nam. Good evening. Welcome again to our class, Jang and Nam. So teacher will tell you we don't have bamboozle today. We don't, because we will have a reward system for this day. So teacher will this one. We'll have this one. So
Huh?
so we will have
Where is now,
yours.
guys? Where is now, guys?
There this is yours. This is Jang. So this is yours. Okay, so we don't have a bamboozle today because we will have a reward for today's lesson. So if your answer or if you answer the questions correctly, so teacher will give you a star, for example. So so Jang have answered the question. So teacher will add a star here. So he got one star.
Oh, but I
Yes.
don't have.
Yes, if you answer, that is just an example. So if you answer teacher's question, I will give you a star. So this is Jang's and this is Nam's. So for this one, whoever gets a lot of star in this lesson will win, okay? So for this, so teacher will count from 1 to 3. And if you heard teacher said go, so you will raise your hands. So you will raise your hands. Can you try raising your hands?
Yes. Actually,
Raise your hands. So whoever raise their hands first. So they are the one who will answer the question and they will get a chance to have a
teacher, Dang is say Vietnamese in chat.
what?
Dang say Vietnamese in chat.
Jang say what?
Dang say Vietnamese in chat.
Miss in chat? What he's gonna miss? Okay, so now let's start our lesson since you have our reward. So I will count 1, 2, 3, and you will raise your hands. Can you raise your hands in the Zoom? Can you click the raise hand? Click the raise hand emoji. Can you see that one in the Zoom? Yes, very good. So whoever raises their hands first, so they will answer the question. So now, are you ready? So I will lower your hands. Okay, Nam? Nam, I will lower your hands. So let us start. Let's
Okay.
start. Let's start for our first. Okay, so let's raise our hands first. So whoever raised their hands first, the emoji hands, okay? The emoji in the Zoom. Okay, so I will count 1 to 3. And if you hear go, we will go on. Okay. Are you ready? Ready your hands. Ready your hands in the Zoom. In the emoji of the Zoom, not the real hands. Because we can see. Yes, that's right, Nam.
Okay.
So, okay, so now let's start. So teacher will count. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready both?
Yes.
Okay, ready yourselves. Okay, so in 3, 2, 1, go, go, race.
Teacher, I don't know. I can't draw.
Yes, just raise hands.
Teacher,
Raise hands.
I, I can't draw.
Yes, later we will draw. Raise your hands in the Zoom. Yes, wow. So raise your hands using emoji. So Nam did it first. So Nam will answer this one. Okay. So let's take a look at our first picture. First picture.
Yeah, but I can't draw.
Yes. Yes, I
I
will
can't
open.
draw. Oh,
Yes, teacher will open the draw. Okay, let's go with the first picture. What do we call this season? What do we call this season? It's the answer in the complete sentence. It's the
spring. It is spring.
okay, wow, very good. It's the spring. Okay, now let's add a star to Nam. Okay, what star do you like? What star do you like? Hmm, what star do you
Um,
like? This one? This?
yes.
Okay, let's put it in your chinin. Okay, so now Nav has the one star. So go, Jang. So the next one will be yours. Let's go with the next picture. Okay. What do we call this? Complete
It is a
sentence.
flower.
It is a flower. Very good. One star also for Jang. What do you like? What star do you like?
I like this.
Okay, let's go with that star. This one? This one, Jack?
Yes.
Okay, let's add it. Yes, one star for each other. So now, let's have the next picture. So the one who raises their hands first will answer the next picture. Use your raise hand in the Zoom. Can you see the emojis? Emojis for the raise hand?
I can.
Oh, you can? Okay, so uh lower hands. Lower your hands. Can you lower your hand, Jack? Okay,
Yes.
so the first one that teacher will see to raise their hands like this, so they will be the one to answer. So in three, okay, in three. So raise your hands like this, okay? What? Lower your hands. No, lower your hands first. Lower your hands. I can
This,
yes.
Tita.
No,
I,
this our
I can see a picture.
you can see. Yes, later we will see the picture, but let's raise our hands first. Like this. Raise your hands like this. Lower your hands. Teacher will count. One. Lower your hands. Okay, one. I can see Nam's hands. Lower. One, two. If I say go, that's the time you will raise your hands. One, two, three. No, it's no go signal later. One, three, two, one, one. It's only one no go. Three, two, one, go. It's okay. This is for
I,
Jang.
I,
Okay,
I
Jang.
first.
Next, what is this? It's the answer in a complete
Bird.
sentence.
Tita,
It's
I must. It's a bird. You give me one star.
oh
No,
no.
give me.
It's for Jang because he raises his hands first. So let's give
No,
let
I'm first. I'm first.
no, I didn't saw your hands, Nam.
I'm first.
Later, we still have a lot of picture.
I'm
Okay.
first.
Okay, it's your turn now. It's your turn. What is this? Complete sentence.
It's
It's
a bunny.
this is for Nam. It's a what is this, Nam? What animal is this?
It's a bunny.
Okay, very good, Nam. So let's put a star on you. So you both have 2 stars. Okay, what star do you like? What star? Okay, this one. Let's go with this. So very good to the both of you. So next, let's go with the next one.
I
So
want orange.
orange. Okay, so let's go with the next picture. So raise your hands. Whoever raise their hands first. Lower your hands first. Teacher will count. Teacher will count. Okay, Nam.
3, 2, 0.
Picture 0. Okay, Nam and Kan. Raise your hands in the real life. Nam and Kan. Okay, so teacher will count first. 1, 2, 3. Still go. No go. Wait. Another one. 1, 2, 3. Go. Very good, Nam. I saw Nam. I saw Nam's hands first. Okay, let's go with next picture. What do we call this? What is this?
It is a rainbow.
It's for Nam. What is this,
Wow.
Nam? What
First,
is what is this, Nam?
it is a rainbow.
It's for Nam. You are teaching Nam the answer. What is this, Nam? It's
Rainbow.
very good, Nam. Another star for Nam. What star do you
No,
like, Nam?
I.
No, I saw Nam raises their hands first. What star, Nam? Okay, this one. Okay, so let's add it to your star. So 3 and 1. So next one, Jang. What do we call this? It's the
Yes, I. It is rain.
very
No,
good.
at first.
It's Jang's turn. It's
Yes,
the rain.
it
Very
is
good.
rain.
Okay, so let's have the another star for Jang.
Superstar. No, I.
Okay, so for this one, we will change the rule. So whoever said what's in the picture, so they will be the one who will have the star. Whoever will say what's in the picture, like for example, I have this picture, so you will say it's the rain. So complete sentence. Whoever says it first will have a star. Is it okay to
It
the
is
both of you?
rain.
Okay.
Okay,
Mexico.
so wait. So let's go with our next picture. Okay, so ready yourselves. So you will
Yes.
say in a complete sentence. So, okay, 3, 2, 1. What is this? Say the word. It
First.
Bye.
Bye.
okay, so
First.
Jang first. Okay.
Yes.
So you need to say the sentence. No need to draw. No need to draw. You will just say the sentence. It's the bike. So Jang, I heard Jang
I don't
first.
match. I don't match.
Yes, we don't match. We will just say the sentence. It's the bike.
Okay.
It's the okay. You can do it, Nam. So what star for you, Jang? What star?
I want this sunny star.
Shining star. Wow, very good. Good
I
job. So
want
next.
tap yellow.
Okay, next. You will just say, okay, no need to draw. You will just say the sentence. So whoever says it first. So are you ready?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
This.
3, 2, 1. What is this?
I can see. It's a ball.
Very good, Nam. Good job. It's Nam points. It's Nam. What? Good job, Nam. So fast, Nam. Okay, what star, Nam? What star? What star do you like, Nam? This one?
Yes.
Okay, yes, very good. You're so fast now. Okay, that will be our rules. Okay, so let's go with
I
our
want
next.
I want Chang
Okay,
language.
okay, let's go with our next activity. So this
These
will
are
be,
birds.
yes, wait. So whoever reads the sentence first will win. Okay,
There are 4 birds.
is it the sentence? Okay, let's reveal the sentence. In three, two, you will read the sentence, okay? One, go.
Yes. The
The
bird
the
is are
the
singing
bird are singing on a tree.
and at first.
Num first. I heard from Jang. You use this. The bird is singing instead of R. And Nam wins. I heard Nam's answer is correct. Okay, so you
Huh?
need to you need to read it as it is because I heard you. The bird is singing on the tree. Oh no. It's okay. So we still have a lot of questions here. So what star? You
But
can
teacher,
still
give me one star.
what star? What star? What
Um,
star? Okay, this one. Okay, so let's put it in yours. Wow, you already have 5 stars. So next, so you will read the sentence as it is. Let's go with next one. Okay, so in 3, 2, 1.
This is I see a rainbow in the sky.
Wow, very good job. Good job. Wow, so fast. Good job. Another star for
stars.
Jang. Okay, Jang, what star? Oh,
Now
I didn't heard you, Nam.
I
Stars.
I didn't heard you. I think your microphone is okay, next one. So you have to say it louder so teacher can hear you. Okay, next. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
she
He's
is running all bike.
okay.
Now
Okay,
I
one more
first.
time. One more time.
She is
Wait.
running a bike.
Okay.
Okay, let's count. 3, 2, 1.
She's running
She
in
is
a bike.
running a bike.
It's
I
Nam.
first.
Okay, it's Nam. It's Nam.
Now I
Okay.
first.
It's Nam. Okay, what star Nam?
Um, I got
This one. Superstar. Very good. So next. Okay, next one. So ready yourselves. Okay, so 3, 2, 1.
The kids love playing on the rain.
Okay,
Yeah,
one more
I
time.
first.
One more time. I heard it wrong. One more time. 3, 2,
Love
wait,
place.
wait. 3, 2, 1, go.
he's
Kids love
playing
playing
the water. Play in
in
the
the
water.
rain.
Oh no, is it
Yeah, I first.
water or rain? No, it's
Rain.
Jang. It's in the rain. We don't have a word water. Okay, very good, Jang. What is your star?
I want. I want. I want. You
One.
are a star.
You are a
Yes.
star. Wow. Okay, so next. Good job. So this is the rain. So they are playing in the rain. So they are playing water, yes. But our word here is rain. Okay, next. Okay, 3. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go.
The rabbits
The
are
rat,
so cute
the puppy
with
are so
let's
cute
go.
with four.
Oh,
And
is
first,
one more time. One more
No,
time.
it's a bunny. Cheetah is
the
a bunny.
One more time. Okay, one
The
more time.
rabbits are so
Wait.
cute.
3.
Teacher, the rabbit or bunny.
One more time. Let's see if your answer is correct. 3, 2, 1, go. So read it clear.
The rabbits are so cute with what for? iPhone.
Okay, so Jang is correct. It's bunny. It's bunny, not rabbit. Because this,
No,
yes, yes, Jang.
Tita, correct.
You said rabbit.
No, I said
It's Jang's
bunny.
points. Yes, I heard Nam. I heard Nam says rabbit instead of bunny. So the points will be for Jang. Okay. What star? It's
Superstar.
okay, Nam. What? Superstar.
Superstar.
It's okay, Nam. We still have a lot of questions here. So you can still have stars. So just we need the accurate word instead of rabbit. Yes, this is a rabbit, but in our lesson it is named as bunny. So still a good job, Nam. So next. Okay, so ready?
The
Okay, wait. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
two. I have two bikes.
What is your answer? Yes or no?
I have yes. I'm correct. I'm correct.
Okay, so let's have this whoever raised their hands first will answer the question. Okay? Okay, 1, 3, raise your hands. 3, 2, 1, go, raise. Okay,
I
Nam.
got two bikes.
It's Nam. Have you got a bike, Nam?
No. Yes, I have. Yes, I have two bikes.
Wow. Very good. Good job.
I
It's Nam's point.
bike.
You have an orange bike.
Two bikes. Two bikes. It's not blue bike.
Oh, it's
Two
2 bikes. Wow. Okay, this will be Nam's points because he is the one who raises his hands. Okay. What star, Nam? What star?
Um,
This one? Oh, this one. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, next question. So raise your hands. 3, 2,
I
raise your hands. Later, wait. 3, 2, wait. I can see your hands, Jang. 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm
Okay, it's Jang. Okay, it's Jang. Okay, Jang, what color is your bike?
the color of my bike is orange and black.
Orange and black. Wow, very good. Another star for Jang. What star? Wow, you both
I
have 6 stars.
I want this superstar.
Superstar, very good because you are a superstar. So
I
next,
have
okay.
three superstars.
Yes, okay, now let's raise our hands again in 3.
It's a red hand in Zoom or red hand. This
Oh, it's okay. You can raise your hands in Zoom or you can raise your hands like this. So whoever do it first. Whoever I see first.
it's a red hand in Zoom.
Can you tell Jang to use in
It's a
Zoom?
red hand in Zoom.
Yes, I saw your hands in Zoom, but I saw Jang's first.
My iPad.
What?
I I play in
You
my
can also do that.
Oh, why but I can't? Why but I can't raise your hand in Zoom, teacher? Why?
You can?
Why but I can't raise your hand in Zoom?
You can raise your hands in Zoom also.
No,
But
I can, but teacher saya raise your hand.
you can raise your hand both in Zoom and this one. You can raise your hand in Zoom or in the real life because I saw Jang's
thought
hands first. When I said go, Jang's hand first, and I saw your hands in Zoom the second. That is why. So you need to click it fast for teacher to see your hands. Okay? Okay,
Okay.
okay. Okay, so now let's try again. So if you heard the word go, so raise your hands. It's okay if you use Zoom, the emoji in Zoom. So I can still see if you're raising your hands or not. Okay? So okay, let's start. So teacher will count. 3. So ready. 3, 2. Wait, Jang. I can see your hands. No. Lower your hands, Jang. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay, very good, Nam. I saw Nam first. So fast. Wow. Okay, it's Nam. Okay, Nam, can you ride a bike? Is it difficult or hard?
You can. Yes, I can ride a bike.
Is it difficult for you or is it easy?
It's different. No, it's
It is easy or difficult?
difficult.
Oh, is you are having a hard time? You
Yes, I ride a bike.
Oh,
It is super easy.
wow. But
Super
this one
easy.
But this one's points is for now. So very good because he raises his hands first. So what will be your prize or what will be your your star, your favorite what? This one? Okay, so very good. Good job. So now let's lower our hands and let's go with the next. Okay, so ready your hands in 3, 2, 1. Go. Nam had it first. I saw na.
No,
I saw
I.
Nam. It's Nam. Okay, so
First. First.
I didn't saw your hands. Not until now. Okay, one more time. One more chance. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go.
I first.
You're both
I.
you both okay, one more time. You both raise your hands the both time. One more time. 3, 2, 1. No go. Still no go. 3,
Okay.
2, 1. Go. Go.
Yeah, first.
It's Jang. I saw Jang first.
Teacher, you give me one star, but God not. No. No one more. No one more. Why? But
No
why?
more.
No.
It's okay.
No. Super
I-
no. No.
Okay, shh. It's Jang. It's Jang. Let's give a chance
Teacher,
to Jang.
I am first. I first. No. No, I'm first.
Okay, let's answer this question for Jang.
Teacher,
Okay, Jang. How
I'm
many
first.
birds are there?
There are 3 birds.
Where are they? Where are the birds?
They are in the tree.
Okay, wow, very good. Another star for Jang. Okay, what star Jang will use?
Teacher, what
What's
about you? I don't have star, but I have I first.
you have? Okay, one more time. Let's raise our hands. Okay, so wait. Lower your hands. Lower your hands. I can see it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's Nam. I saw Nam first. I saw Nam first. Okay, next question for Nam. Oh, are they a family? Are they a family, Nam, and why? Yes or no?
No.
No, and why? Because
But but it's not brown. It's not
oh,
brown. Um,
okay, can you read this one? No.
no, because not all birds, all birds are brown.
Okay, very good. So good job. Another star for Nam. What star? What star do you like?
This,
Where? This one? Great job.
yes.
Great job. Yes, great job. Okay, next. Okay, let's lower our heads. So you will use the emoji in Zoom, Chang. You will use this one. You
Teacher,
will.
the right one.
Yes, I will lower. Okay. Okay. Are you ready now? Are you ready both?
Yes.
Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Oh,
Hi.
it's now. It's now. Now we're so fast. Okay, so Nam. Next question for Nam again.
Oh, teacher, give me a star. Do you
Oh,
know?
question
No,
first.
give me. Oh, it's a tulip. It's a tulip.
How about
It's
this?
a tulip.
How about
The
this one?
the
Is it a
flower name. It's tulip. It's daisy. It's daisy. It is daisy. Tulip and daisy.
no?
Daisy.
It's not daisy.
For this.
Very good. One more time. What do you know the name of these flowers?
This tulip and daffodil.
Okay, one more time. Say daffodils.
Daffodils.
Okay, very good. So Nam star. Okay, so
No, I.
raise your hands first, Jang. You can do it. Okay, Jang. Okay, Nam, what star? It's the same pattern as your first. The same pattern. Okay, so next one. Okay, raise your hands faster, Jang. You can do it. You can do it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I saw Jang. I saw Jang first. It's okay. Okay. Can you name more flowers that you know? And which flowers do you like the most?
Name more flower. It is rose.
Rose. Wow.
Flowers. Sunflower.
Sunflower.
And lotus.
And how do you spell that one?
Lotus.
Lotus. This one, lotus. Oh, and which flowers do you like the best? Do you like rose? Do you like tulips?
I
Jang.
like sunflowers.
Wow, I like. Very good. Good job. So next, this one is for Jang. You have the same. You have the same stars. What star, Jang?
I want this. Rainbow.
Okay, rainbow. Okay, next. Okay, let's raise our hands in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's now. Okay, one more time. One more time.
Okay. Tita.
Okay, one more time. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it's Nam. It's Nam. I saw Nam first. Okay, how many colors has a rainbow have? How many? How many?
3, 2,
Oh, very
1.
good. Good job. It has 7 colors. And what are those colors, Nam?
3, 2, 1, 0. No, 0.
What
No,
is the next
it's
one?
0.
3. What is the next color?
India,
India. Indy. What's the next?
India,
What's the
India,
What's the next color, Nam?
India,
Indy what?
India,
Can you spell? Can you spell? Can you spell?
India. I can't spell.
It is letter. What's the last? What's the last letter?
Indigan.
Huh? Indy? What's the last letter?
I don't know last letter.
Last letter? What's
Oh.
this? What? How do you say the word?
Indigan.
Very indigo.
Indigo. And
Okay, and the last
violet. Oh,
violets.
no,
Okay,
no,
very good.
no.
He said violet. He said
No,
violet.
no, no,
I heard violet. Okay, it's Nam's point.
it's orange.
Nam, what star?
Or a star.
What star? This one, shining star? Shining star. It's the same pattern as your first one. It's the same. Okay, so next one. Okay, so okay, raise your hands in 3, 2, 1, go.
I.
Okay, one more time. One more time. 3, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's Nam. I see them first.
I'm first. No,
It's
I'm
Nam.
first.
I saw
I'm
Nam
a
first.
try again. I'm again.
Do you want to give a chance?
Again.
Nam, do you want
Yes.
to give a chance? Oh no, he doesn't want a chance. Okay, so this is for Nam. Okay. My friend says that a rainbow is in cloudy days. Is that right? Do rainbow comes in cloudy days?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No.
What days? What day? Is it sunny day?
It's sunny
Rain?
and rainy day.
Yes, very good. It's sunny and rainy day. Good job. Okay, so very good. Another star for Nam. Oh, you have a 10 star. Do you want this one, the superstar? Superstar.
Yes, a superstar.
Okay, next. Okay. So let's raise our hands first. So you can do it, Jang. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I saw Jang. I saw Jang. I saw.
Tito, I first heard you sing. Because you say 3, 2, 1. You don't say go.
Okay, one more time. 3, 2, 1, go.
I.
Okay, one more time. So you raise your hands both.
No,
Okay,
Tito, with me. Okay. No, I.
faster,
Tito, you
faster.
say.
Please, you put your hands in. Can you both put your hands in the real life, not in the Zoom? Not Zoom. Okay, one more time. 3. Real life, Nam. Okay, use your hands, Nam. 3, 2. Use your hands, Nam. Okay, don't use the emoji. Don't use the emoji. Don't use the emoji. Use
Oh,
your
why?
hands. Because it is unfair. It is quite unfair to Jang. He's using his own hands. Okay, so use your hands. Let's now use our hands to make it fair. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey,
Oh, I
hey,
saw
hey,
Nam first. Wow,
yeah,
so fast.
hey,
I saw
first,
I
first,
saw Nam.
first.
Okay, so let's give a chance next to Jang later. So can you tell me some typical things of spring, Nam? What are the things?
For the sun, rainy, sunny,
Jang is sad.
rain, bird,
What are the other things that you can see in
bird,
in the spring?
bird,
We have
bird.
birds.
I see bird.
What are the other things?
No, I see a
Where?
tulip. Tulip.
What do you call them? They are
The flower
and
in spring
what animal is in the flower?
is a butterfly.
Okay, very good. So these are the typical things that we can see in the spring. So next, you can do it, Jang. Oh no, Jang is sad. Jang is sad. Oh no. Okay, now. So another star. So should I put this one?
Teacher, I want to know. Teacher,
Oh
I
no,
want to see a young star.
this one.
Yeah.
He can still do it. What's star Nam? This? Okay. Let's put it. Ching. Okay, you can do it, Chang. Don't be sad. Okay, so please listen. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I saw Jang. I saw Jang. It's Jang's chance now. Sorry, Jang. Okay, it's Jang's turn.
Oh, but that is not a star. I have 11 star. You give I have not 12. I have 11 star. What about you? Give them 1 star.
I will give Jang 1 star.
No, I return first.
Huh?
I return first.
I have what?
Oh, I see 2 down.
Yeah, we have 2 Jang. What happened? Okay. Okay, Jang. So this is for Jang. Next
Oh,
question.
it's mine.
It's Jang. I saw Jang first. Okay, Jang. Which month does spring starts? Which month does spring starts, Jang? It starts in. Do you know what month? Jang starts with letter M. What month? Jang, are you there? Jang, it's your turn. Oh no, Jang.
That is that he don't want to. He want to give more star.
Okay, let's give a chance to Jang because he's not able to get a star earlier. So Jang.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you. Okay, Jang. Jang. Oh no, Jang is writing. Jang, Jang, will you answer this one? Jang, it's your time. Jang. Hello, Jang. Oh no, Jang, that's bad. Jang, Jang, should I give the star to Nam? I will give the star to Nam.
Yes, yes.
Jang, it's okay. Teacher will give you the answer. Jang, which month that the spring starts? It starts in. Can you read this one, Jang? Which
In
mo-
March.
It's Jang. It's Jang's turn. I think Jang is sad. That is why he is not answering. Jang, let's answer. It's your turn. You won earlier. Oh no. You don't. You want to give the star to Nam?
Yes.
Jang? Jang, speak, speak. Jang? I will not open the pen. Jang. Jang, it's your turn. You don't want to answer? Shall we give the star to Nam? So Nam is smiling. Jang, this is the answer. It starts with what month? You don't want to answer now? I will give the star to Nam. Oh no. Let's read the answer. This is the answer. Teacher gave you the answer. Oh, it starts in. No, you don't want. Let's read. Let's read the answer. Read the answer. Teacher gave you the answer. Let's read. It starts. It starts. Starts with what month?
But you don't talk.
Yeah, then Jang doesn't want to talk.
Teacher, give me star.
Oh no, let's give a chance to Jang. Let's give a chance to Jang. Jang, you don't want to answer? Your star is. Oh no. Jang, Jang, Jang. Jang. Jang, where are you? Where are you?
Teacher, give me star, but I don't want to have star.
Jang, you don't want to have star anymore? Jang? Oh no, I think Jang is sad. Let's say sorry to Jang. Sorry, Jang. Sorry. Let's say sorry, Nam. Sorry, Jang. Let's answer now. You can do it. Let's go, let's go. Oh no, Jang.
Teacher, give me star.
Let's wait for Jang. Let's wait. Jang, we cannot finish our lesson.
Teacher,
But
10 minutes. No, 10
yeah,
minutes
it's
is
10 minutes left.
o'clock.
Yes. Jang, what did Jang said? Oh no, Jang is angry.
You can do it.
Jang is angry. Oh no, did you see the sticker?
Yes.
Jang is angry. Let's say sorry. Sorry, sorry, Jang. Can you answer now? Let's say sorry, Nam. Sorry, Jang.
Why?
Oh, oh, Nam said sorry too. You don't want Jang?
Sorry.
What?
Why but I sorry? Why but I say sorry?
Because we need to say sorry because Jang is sad. Jang
Why?
is sad.
What?
I don't know. Jang is angry. Jang is angry. Should we continue the lesson without Jang? It's okay, Jang. We still have a lot of questions here. It's your turn to answer. Oh no, he's coughing. Drink your water. Drink your water, Jang. Okay, so now, can you read this one? Read
Yes.
this one.
This star eat much.
Okay, very good. So Jang, I think Jang is really sad. Next, can you read the next question, Nam?
How long does it last?
Very good.
It lasts for about 3 months until summer comes.
Okay, wow, very good. Do you want to give a star to Jang, Nam? Let's give
Um.
let's give let's also give him a star.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, can you choose a star for Jang? Choose a
Um.
star. Oh, okay. I will
Oh.
open. What star? Superstar, rainbow, the ribbon, shining star. What star? All of the star?
No.
What star here? Where? Is it a Yora star? Great job. What's that? Oi. What did
No. It's a. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. What star do you want for us to give Jang a star? N? No?
No.
No star?
Yeah.
Why no star? We should give
because
because why no star? We should give a
because
star.
because you don't give me star.
Okay.
Because now don't know want to mm, because now don't want to
Answer?
learn now.
Yeah, okay. But let's give a star to Jack. So let's first have your star.
No,
What
my
star?
star.
This one?
Yes.
How about for Jack? Let's give a star
Okay.
also to
Star.
Jack.
Star.
What star do you like for Jack?
Um.
What star? What star for Jack? I can see the star. This one, okay. So we will give a star to you, Jang. You don't want. Oh no, Jang. Oh no. Jang. We will not be able to continue the lesson. So, Jang,
Because there are
yes.
6 minutes.
Yeah. So now let's just continue the lesson. So I think Jang needs to rest. So, but let's have this question now.
Because why
Yes.
but now we I have no 12 star now or 13.
Always your star is 12.
Oh,
Yes. Okay. So
give them
now
two, give them 2 star.
I will give Jang's 2 star. Okay, I will give
No,
Jang
1 star, 1 star.
1 star. What
One
star?
more star. One
What
more
star?
star.
What star do you like for Jang?
Um. Oh, I can chat.
Oh, you can.
I can
Okay.
run out.
Okay. What star for Jang? Jang, don't draw something. If you don't want to participate, it's okay. But you don't need to be like this. So we are giving you star. Oh no, Jang. It's not right. Okay, let's remove this one. So this one, we will give a star to Jang. So the next time, Jang, it's okay to not answer because we give we both give you chance, especially Nam and Jang. So it's okay. So I know that you are quite angry or sad right now. And it's your feelings are valid. Okay? That is why Nam and teacher is saying sorry to you because we are sorry that we made you upset or we made you angry.
Teacher, we have 3 minutes.
3
3 minutes.
minutes. Yeah. So now let's finish the lesson, Nam. So for this one, what place can you see in the picture?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do you know a campsite? Campsite.
No.
Oh, that is so this one we can see it in a campsite.
I
So
can
most
speak Vietnamese,
you can
but
see?
I can speak Vietnamese, but I can speak English.
Oh, you are speaking English now. You can speak English also.
No,
Oh no.
I know also.
No, you can speak. You just need some practice with your words because I can see that you really can express yourself with using English and you are
Teacher,
very
don't eat
good.
cry. Don't eat cry. Don't eat cry.
Jang is crying. Oh
Yes.
no. Sorry, Jang, if we made you angry. It's okay, Jang. You also have a 10 star. So you both did a great job for this lesson. So I know that you are sad right now, but it's okay. Or do you still want to finish the lesson? Okay, so this one. What do you call this one, Nam?
It's a bee.
It's a bee. Very good. Next, this one. What is this?
I don't know.
How do you? It's a flower. It's a flower. Next
It's
one.
not.
What?
It's not letter B.
Yes, it's not letter B, so we will not put it in here. So next, this one.
It's a bell.
Very good. It's a bell. How about this one?
It's
Next.
it's a bone.
It's a bone. Wow. You said, teacher, that you cannot speak English, but you know this word. So you are speaking English. Okay, this one. What do we call this? It's a what is this? It's a violin. But it's not letter V. It's letter V. Victory. How about the last one? What is this? Is this Batman? Bat, yes, very good. This is a bat. Okay, so good job to the both of you,
My foot are down.
Jang. Good job to the both of you, Jang and Nam. So we have finished our lesson 7, which is spring. So this is one of the seasons that we can see. So thank you very much to the both of you, Jang and Nam. So you did a great job. So for this one, bye bye. See you again
Put it
soon.
down. No.
Ah, we have another teacher here. Bye bye now, Ja. Ay, bye bye
Okay, bye.
now. See you again. Bye
Bye.
bye.
I'm really
Yeah.
sorry, teacher.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Yes, I
we,
didn't
we
know.
will.
Yes,
We
yes.
will.
It's my first time to have used this kind of way of interacting with Zoom. I'm so sorry.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay po.
Yes, yes,
Thank you
yes.
po. Bye bye. Alis na ako.
Goodbye. Thank you so much.